أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. My name is Bakar Ali and today I will tell you about how to create user in MySQL DB and how to grant permissions, how to revoke permissions, and how you can drop a user. So let's begin with a simple statement. First, you have to connect with MySQL Workbench. Over here, you have to write a command that is create user and name of the user at localhost identified by its password. For the sake of example, I am here executing a command create user admin at localhost identified by admin. By executing this command, a user with the name of admin will be created and its password will be admin. So for now, we have already a user that is admin, so it is failed. So we can create one another user. Let's say I have to create one another user that is Shahid, and its password can be admin. Whatever you want, you can keep, but if you want to make it secure, you have to use a complex password and not as easy as admin for admin or password 123 or admin 123 or abc 123. So you have to make it complex so no one can easily hack your password. So over here we can create a user by just clicking over here, and as you can see over here, a user with the name of Shahid at localhost is created and its password is admin. Now if you want to give some permission to the user that we have created, that is Shahid, so you can provide it by multiple ways. The one way is that you can grant, create, alter, drop, insert, update, delete, select reference, reload on. So you can give it individually one by one, or you can give it all at once. And let me tell you one another thing over here. That is over here. One is with grant option. So what is the meaning of with grant option? With the use of with grant option, it means that the user Shahid can grant these permission to some another person. And if you use only this statement, then the user Shahid will be having the all the permissions, but he will not be able to give these permission to some another person. So by this way you can grant permissions. So normally when you work in a software house or some other company, so when you are in need of some permission, normally the DBA or some other system administrator will give you permission that is needed at that time. Maybe at that time you will need only the select statement, so they will only grant you the select, right? So in this way you can use multiple permissions. So let me execute this one. Over here you can see that this command successfully executes over here. Now if you want to give all the permission at once without indicating one by one, so you can also use grant all on static. So static means on all databases, and this static is used for all objects, that you are giving permission to all objects on all databases to the user Shahid. Let me change it over here. So in this way you can grant permission to Shahid on all DBs and on all objects. So okay, in the similar way I have told you before that you can use the with grant option. So on this way Shahid will be able to grant these permission to some another person. And if you want to see that what permission the user Shahid have, so you can see all the permissions by issuing this command, and you can see that what are the permissions. he has right now. So it, whenever you get the permission to Shahid, you have to issue one another command, that is flush privileges. You have to execute it, and if you want to revoke some permission, like over here I want to revoke select permission or delete permission. Normally we do not give the delete permission on database. We normally do a soft delete, like we are changing the parameter from 1 to 0, or is active 1 or 0. So in this way we can revoke permission of delete. So let's come back over here to confirm the permission. Either uh, we have the delete statement over here now. So as you can see over here that now we have revoked the delete permission. Now child will be unable to delete anything on any database. And in the same way, if you want to drop the user, so you have to issue one another command, that is drop user Shahid, and where this user is created at localhost, so we can delete this user at localhost. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for staying with me.